This is Trapper's Avatar, powered by Grown Man Productions, and you have to reach millions. I never thought I'd be recording an episode like this, but life has a funny way of testing you, and I want to take you behind the scenes today. This is not just another episode about prompts or AI tools or strategies for making money online. This is about resilience. It's about pushing forward even when life slows you down. And yes, it's about prompting from my hospital bed. Now, before we dive into the story, let me ask you a quick favor. Join, like, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me keep making this content. It helps me grow this community, and it helps more people discover the power of AI prompt mastery. So let's get into it. Section 1, the setup. Picture this. I'm lying in a hospital bed, recovering from surgery. Tubes, wires, and machines all around me. Nurses coming in and out, family worried, and me, I've got my phone in one hand and my laptop on the table tray. Why? Because even in that moment, I couldn't stop thinking about prompts. I couldn't stop thinking about this channel, about the content I needed to make, about the community I'm building with you. Now, some people might say, man, you're crazy. Just rest. And trust me, I did rest. But in between the naps and the pain medicine, I found myself opening ChatGPT. I found myself drafting ideas, scripting notes, and building the foundation for this very video. That's when it hit me. Prompting isn't just a hobby. It isn't just a tool for business. It's become a lifeline. It's become the way I express myself, the way I create, the way I move forward, even from a hospital bed. Section 2, why I couldn't stop. Now you might wonder why I didn't just take a break. Why not step away from AI for a few days or weeks and focus only on recovery? The truth is, when you find something that energizes you, it doesn't drain you. Even in that hospital bed, prompting gave me energy. It gave me a sense of control when everything else felt out of my hands. I couldn't control how fast my body healed. I couldn't control how many tests the doctors ran, but I could control the words I typed into ChatGPT. I could control the prompts I crafted. And out of those prompts came ideas, came drafts, came hope. For me, prompting isn't work. It's therapy. It's focus. It's creation. Section 3, the first prompt from the bed. The very first prompt I typed from my hospital bed was simple. I asked ChatGPT, write me a motivational message for someone recovering from surgery who wants to stay creative. And the response it gave me wasn't just words on a screen. It felt like fuel. It reminded me that I wasn't just lying there. I was healing, yes, but I was also still building, still creating, still reaching. That single prompt showed me something important. Prompts aren't just business tools. They're personal. They're emotional. They can meet you exactly where you are, even if that's in a hospital gown. Section 4, prompts as companions. Over the next few days, I kept prompting. Sometimes it was lighthearted. I'd ask Prompto, my robot companion, to tell me jokes to cheer me up. Sometimes it was creative. I'd have the AI brainstorm video titles, thumbnail ideas, or scripts for upcoming episodes. And sometimes it was deep. I'd ask AI to help me reflect on life, family, or legacy. It was like having a companion right there in the room, someone to talk to, someone to bounce ideas off of, someone who never got tired, never judged, never told me to stop. That's when I realized AI isn't just about efficiency. It's about presence. It's about giving you company, clarity, and inspiration, especially when you feel isolated. Section 5, lessons learned from prompting in pain. Prompting from a hospital bed taught me a few powerful lessons. First, it reminded me that creativity doesn't need perfect conditions. You don't need a studio. You don't need a desk. You don't need peace and quiet. If you've got a device and a mind that's willing, you can create anywhere. Second, it showed me that prompts aren't just for productivity. They can be for healing. They can be for reflection. They can be for laughter and light in the middle of something heavy. And third, it reinforced something I already believed. Prompt mastery isn't just a skill, it's a lifestyle. It's the art of taking whatever moment you're in and turning it into something meaningful. Section 6, teaching the audience. So what does this mean for you, the person watching this video? It means that you don't have to wait for perfect conditions to start using AI. Don't wait until your business is ready. Don't wait until you have the perfect plan. Don't wait until you feel like everything is lined up. Start now. Prompt now. Explore now. Because if I can do it from a hospital bed, you can do it from your couch, your office, your car, or anywhere you have a moment. And more importantly, use prompts for more than just business. Use them to check in with yourself. Use them to explore your feelings. Use them to encourage yourself. Here are 3 simple prompts you can try today. Write me a motivational message for someone who feels stuck. Give me 3 ways to laugh more today. Explain how I can turn my current challenge into a lesson. Try them. See what comes back. Let AI remind you of your own strength. Section 7, the bigger picture. As I lay in that hospital bed, I realized something bigger. This channel, this content, this community, it's not just about prompts. It's about perseverance. It's about people like us who want to keep moving forward no matter what life throws our way. AI is a tool, but the real story here is what you do with it. The real story is how you show up, how you keep creating, how you keep pushing, even when things get hard. For me, prompting was the bridge between pain and purpose, between recovery and creation, between lying still and moving forward. And I want the same for you. Section 8, looking ahead. Now I'm back on my feet, recovering more every day, but I carry those hospital bed prompts with me. They remind me that even when I felt weak, I was still strong enough to create, strong enough to build, strong enough to share. And that's what this channel is about. Not just prompts, not just AI, but the human spirit that drives it all. So wherever you are today, whether you're thriving, struggling, or somewhere in between, remember this: you have the power to create. You have the power to prompt. You have the power to keep moving forward. So that's my story. Prompting from my hospital bed. Proof that surgery couldn't stop this YouTuber's AI journey. If this inspired you, do me a favor. Join, like, and subscribe to the channel. Share it with someone who needs to hear this message today. And let me know in the comments, where's the most unusual place you've ever prompted? I want to hear your stories. This is Trapper's Avatar with Grown Man Productions reminding you, you have to reach millions.
It's the rapper!